What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we got a lot going on. So let's go ahead and get on with the show. First up, over at the Facebook group, Charles Starks Jr. posted this deal for us right here. So let's read. He said he had his best day shopping at Home Depot today, which was yesterday. Saw the M18 4-tool kit combo with a $420 tag on them. Took it to the register and rang up $300 each. Now, let me just show you this kit and what comes in it. So you have the fuel M18 hammer drill, the impact driver, the oscillating tool, and a light, along with a 3 amp hour high output battery, which is an excellent battery, and a 6 amp hour high output battery, which is also one of their better batteries, all for $300. Now, normally you get just these two tools right here with the regular 5 amp hour batteries and a charger for $399. Now, it's come with an oscillating tool, a light, and the high output batteries for $300. So go ahead and check your local Home Depots. There's his receipt right there. We appreciate you, Charles, for that. Then he also had this deal that rang up. What was it? I think it was 102 instead of the 119 for this pack out organizer right there. So thank you so much, Charles, for your contribution. Moving on over to Acme Tools. So I know you guys love you some Milwaukee mowers. To me, this is just breaking the bank. That's too much money. So we routinely, I think the cheapest I ever seen it was like $8.99 or $9.99. But this is $10.99, and it comes with a free gift over here at Acme Tools. So you get to choose between a blower, a trimmer, or a hedge trimmer. So I will obviously go with the most expensive thing, obviously the blower, for $2.99. And there you have that. Now, free shipping on this item. Usually sometimes they charge for, things that are on the heavier side, but this is free shipping. But I would like to show you an alternative, okay? So we have this Ego mower that comes with two 4 amp hour batteries and this charger, and it's $549. Half the price. No, it doesn't come with that extra tool, but half the price. Same 21-inch self-propelled. 21-inch self-propelled. Don't forget your rockets in over here and get your 2% cash back, though, on these deals. Use the link in the description. You'll get a bonus $30. So let's go ahead and get that reminder out of the way. And, the Milwaukee is better when it comes to the specs. This goes up to 4 miles per hour, where the Ego goes up to 3.1 miles per hour. The Ego has six position cutting height adjustments from 1.5 inches to 4 inches, whereas the Milwaukee is just 1 inch to 4 inch, so it'll cut lower. And those are pretty much the differences. Now you might say, well, man, that Milwaukee comes with two 12 amp hour batteries. That Ego just comes with 4. Now let's check something out. So this tells you over here with two 12 amp hour batteries, the mower would deliver up to 60 minutes of runtime. All right. Now over here with the two 4 amp hour batteries with the Ego, you get 65 minutes on the two 4 amp hour batteries. So, these are also 56 volts as opposed to 18 volts as well. So there is your difference right there. It's in the voltage, which allows these to run, a little longer. So I wouldn't look at the amp hours on the battery so much without considering the volts. And so for me, I would go Ego personally. But, to each his own. I just want to show you guys both of those. Moving on over to Home Depot, we have some buy more, save more deals going on, which I'm going to leave this up, but I'll talk more in depth about it and piece together some deals for you guys another day, because it's a lot. It's a lot to go through. But I wanted to show you this deal on this wide cut, deep cut bandsaw. Now you have this with the Fuel M18 hacksaw for $389. And I wanted to just show you guys this so you can see how much this bandsaw costs by itself. And it's normally $399, but it's $379 on sale. And then of course you have your buy more, save more. If you wanted to hack a little something. But if you wanted both of these, $10 extra to get you that hacksaw, and that's a pretty sweet deal. Now, interestingly enough, if you come over here and you just, again, wanted to hack this out, you could find a myriad of things that if you spend $500, it'll knock 150 off and it'll adjust the prices accordingly. So you can play with that, but again, we'll talk about that another day. Moving on, we have this DeWalt 3 amp hour battery pack for $39 still. This is supposed to end, I thought, April 1st. Maybe they extended it, or maybe it was like April 14th. I don't know, but this is supposed to end sometime this month. So if you are interested in this battery, grab it while you can for $39. Moving on, we have the new M18 high torque impact wrench. This is a kit, comes with two 5 amp hour batteries, and it's on a BOGO, and you can add another 5 amp hour battery to this. But these batteries are the oil resistant batteries. It's not just the regular old XC 5.0 batteries. These are oil resistant batteries, and you can add another oil resistant battery to this, and it'll make this kit break down to be $361.92. Now again, this impact wrench is $299 itself, so for an extra $62, you're getting these two batteries, this hard case, and a charger. Not a bad deal right there. Moving on, we also have this drywall screw gun kit that comes with the two regular 5 amp hour batteries, the drywall screw gun, along with the charger and a bag. This is also on a BOGO. Now let's just take a look at what this breaks down to be. It breaks down to be $169.32 for this whole kit. Now, if you know these drywall screw guns, they're around $150 themselves, more or less, depending on the brand. So that's a fantastic deal right there. But I just want to show you the BOGO. You can choose either a drywall cutout tool or this vacuum. Obviously, add the oscillating tool, which is going to be $229, and give you the biggest discount on this bundle. Now, moving on, we also have this polisher kit with, well, I'll call it a bundle, not so much the kit because there's no charger, but you have the polisher and a 6 amp hour high output battery. These polishers are normally more than $299 themselves, so that's a great deal there. Moving on, we also have this DeWalt drywall cutout tool, and this is $179 with as a BOGO as well, and the BOGO is the free Power Stack 5 amp hour battery, which honestly, that's just a good deal. $179 for both of these. I wouldn't hack it, but if you had to, let me show you what that breaks down to be. All right, so here we are in the car, and we see this DeWalt drywall cutout tool breaks down to be $84.76. This is looking like those Bosch days many months ago over at Lowe's. So there you have that, $84.76, and that Power Stack battery breaks down to be $94.24. But again, like I said, honestly, that's just a good deal to get them both. And we're going to go ahead and wrap it up right there because this video is getting kind of long in the tooth. But we do have some good deals for you tomorrow. Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful. If you got any value from this video, please leave me a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. Another giveaway will be happening next month. The goal is to get to the point where we can give out some bigger power tools such as these, and the ultimate goal is to give out some trucks. So I need your subscriptions, I need your shares, I need your likes, I need your comments, and I'll see you guys next time.